Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons. So here we have those side buttons on the right side. Now we want to spam them up until we have it at the 100%. So we want to max that out. Now, this is not the call. You need to be in an active call in order to change that, and also you cannot change it in these settings. So whenever we open up the settings and go to sound and vibration, we won't have an option to change the call volume here. Now, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth. So we have it right here at the top. Now my Bluetooth is enabled, but we want to disable it so there's no audio rerouting. So the audio may be in your headphones that you do not use or practically anything else, and you definitely do not want that. So turn off the Bluetooth for the time of testing, and what you guys can do is you guys can see at the top here exactly, if you look at your phone, you have an earpiece. Now it's more likely visible. And as you guys can see, we need to clean that with a soft brush, for an example, or we can clean that with an air compressor, but the soft brush does the job way better. Now what you guys can do after cleaning it is test another call or another call from a different app. So this way you will know if this is only app specific or it's just a problem for your phone. So if you use the phone app for an example, you can use it again and then check another app like WhatsApp, for an example, Instagram, anything that supports the call system. What you guys can do next is restart your smartphone. So how you guys do that? You press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Do not hold it, just press it. Now swipe up to restart the device. And now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys once it's restarted. Now, after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into the settings. So you need to go over to the settings. Now you need to scroll a bit down until you can see system and update. Now here, what you guys need to do is click on software update and make sure that you have the latest version. So I'll quickly connect to the Wi-Fi and I'll show you that I'm running the latest version of the software. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest versions of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.